What's going on, guys? So it's about 4:30 in the morning. We got a 5-mile-an-hour northwest winds, nice full moon, and we're gonna plug the open ocean surf, and we're gonna start with this tsunami sand deal here, which I heard have been doing pretty well at nighttime in the fall here. Let's see. There we go. That's a fish. Nice fish on the sand deal. Come on in. There we go. There we go. There we go. Nice fish there. There we go. It's a pretty nice husky fish. Let's let him go. Alright, I'm just gonna throw on a black mag darter. See if that works good. Alright, now that the sun's starting to come up, I'm gonna switch over to an 827. Alright, so I fished till about 7 here. Nothing other than that one fish at like 4:45, you know, when it was totally dark out. So the full run still has a lot of picking up to do, but it's definitely underway, and that fish was a decent size. It was probably like 28 inches. I'll post links to all the gear I used in the description box below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.